Welcome to Plastics Plus Technology. My name is Kathy Boder. I'm President and CEO. Plastics Plus Technology has been in business for over 40 years. We provide post-tolerance injection molded products for the medical and electronics fields. We are ISO 13485 and 9001 certified, as well as a woman-owned certified company. Our mission is to add value to the entire team, customers, suppliers, and of course our staff. We are proud to say that we have long-term relationships in all of those areas. Customers for decades, suppliers for decades, valued staff members for decades, facilitating strength and stability.